Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install multiple Terraform versions in your system. For doing that we need to install a tool called tfenv, and for that I'm going to use BREW. tfenv. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and resume when it is done. Okay, it just finished. So I need to check what Terraform version I'm using in my configuration files. For that, I can cut a tf-state file. And as you can see, the Terraform version is 14.8, so I'm going to install that version. Okay, it will download and install it within the tfenv command. Okay, it installed the version, but also I'm going to install the latest, which is 106. Okay, just finish. Now, how to select a different version in my system? For that, I need to type tfenv use and the version I want. Then it switched to the version I needed. We can check by doing a Terraform minus version, and as you can see this is my version. If I switch to the other, okay, it just switch, and if I do the same command it will return the different version. And this is how you can have multiple versions in your system. Please let me know if you have any comment, and please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.